Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Poolvio 5-in-1 Pool Cleaning Kit, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Deluxe pool equipment set includes 20-inch detachable pool brush head, 1 semi-deep pool leaf net, 1 heavy-duty ultra-fine mesh pool rake and 13 feet adjustable aluminum pool pole. Effortless debris collection. This pool net features an upgraded angled front lip for easy and efficient scooping. Its heavy-duty aluminum frame, wrapped in thick plastic, is designed to support up to 50 pounds. The 270-micron medium mesh captures even small debris. Half-depth pool net skimmer. The half-depth design captures more debris in a single sweep, preventing debris from falling out. With a durable aluminum frame, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for quick and efficient pool surface cleaning. Upgraded 2-in-1 brush. Unique 3-piece design with detachable 360 degrees brush heads for flexible use. The wavy bristles are safe for your pool yet tough enough to scrub away stubborn stains and debris from hard-to-reach corners in pools, spas, hot tubs, and yards. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.